For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and I'd like to review today's trades on the Fastball XRV premium service for all those of you who are members. So let's start with the big boy, AGIO, AGIO Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. This one we did live in the trading room this morning, and I can't think of a better example to do live in front of a bunch of people than something that ultimately goes and runs in our favor $5. It actually ran more than $5, went almost $6. I didn't get any of the rest of that, but this was textbook. This is exactly the way that I've been telling you guys to play these. Run the entry just above the high of that Fastball XRV day. So about 68.08 was where my order went live this morning. This is what I was showing you guys in the room. 68.09. The actual fill on that. When it got to 69.35, I know it was tempting, but I kept telling you folks, let's stay in this one because the second objective is 71.37. So 68.08 to 69.35 was a great run, and it's always nice to be able to put $1 in your pocket. But when we were looking at this trade and we saw how wide the spread was, and the fact that the spread on the ask side kept climbing away from the bid, that was an indication that the sellers were not willing to sell into the order flow. They were still moving their price away. And it seemed counterintuitive to those of you who kept asking me, does this wide spread mean bad things for this? But if you watched how the spread matured over the course of the morning, then what you saw was this thing definitely had legs and it was off to the races. When it got to 71.09, I told you I still wasn't done, and I was looking for a move to 72.09. A couple of you in there gave me the wow when it actually got to 72.09, and ultimately it did not stop me out. After getting there, my stop was back at the 71.37 level, and I did manage to get this thing all the way up to $73.09, missing the move up into 74. But I just want to point out that although every day isn't going to be this kind of a run, this kind of a run does tend to happen at least once a week. And if you get on top of these things, you have got an opportunity for a big move in these Fastball XRV stocks.